Hello children, we are going to study practice set 15.3. Question 1. In the figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Side AB is parallel to DC. Length AB equals to 13 centimeter, DC equals to 9 centimeter and AD equals to 8 centimeter. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Here, as per the figure given, it is a trapezium. You directly have taken trapezium here. The figure, you know, one pair of opposite side is parallel and another side are not parallel. So quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Side AB is parallel to DC and the length AB equals to 13 centimeter, DC equals to 9 centimeter, AD equals to 8 centimeter. Area of trapezium equals to half into sum of lengths of parallel sides. Which are parallel sides? AB and DC into height. So area of quadrilateral we write like this. ABCD equals to half into length AB plus length DC. This is put in bracket. Plus sign is in between them. Into length AD, that is height. Height of the trapezium. Substitute the value here. So half into 13 plus 9 into 8. So 13 plus 9 is 22. Half into 22 into 8 equals to 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 into 8, 88 square centimeter. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD is 88 square centimeter. Length of the two parallel sides of trapezium are 8.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter respectively, and the height is 4.2 centimeter. Find its area. Length of the two parallel sides of trapezium is 8.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter and its height is 4.2 centimeter. Area of trapezium equals to half into sum of lengths of parallel sides into height. So half into bracket 8.5 plus 11.5 into 4.2. Half into sum of these two equals to 20 into 4.2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So 10 into 4.2 is 42 square centimeter. The area of trapezium is 42 square centimeter. Third question. Quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles means this non-parallel sides are equal. PS is equal to QR. Isosceles trapezium means the non-parallel sides are of equal length. So PS is congruent to QR. Length PQ equals to 7 centimeter. PM is perpendicular. SM equals to 3 centimeter. Distance between two parallel sides is 4 centimeters. So PM equals to 4 centimeter. Find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. Quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. So PQ equals to 7 centimeter. Segment PM is perpendicular to SR. SM equals to 3 centimeter. PM equals to 4 centimeter. Draw QN perpendicular. Here we are doing the construction. Draw QN perpendicular. Why? Because this will become a rectangle. Very clear? In quadrilateral PM and Q, PQ parallel to MN given side of the opposite side of the trapezium. Angle PMN equals to angle QNM equals to 90 degrees. Both are perpendicular. Therefore, the quadrilateral is a rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Therefore, PM equals to QN equals to 4. So this also becomes 4. And PQ equals to MN equals to 7. So this also equals 7. In triangle PMS, angle PMS equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem it is taken. So PS square equals to PM square plus SM square. equals to 4 square plus 3 square equals to 16 plus 9, 25. Taking square root on both the side, PS equals to root of 25 equals to 5 centimeter. Now quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. So PS equals to QR equals to 5 centimeter. In triangle QNR, QNR, here you see QNR. QN is given 4, opposite side of a rectangle. This we have calculated 5, so QR also equals to 5. Now we have to find out NR. So in triangle QNR, angle QNR equals to 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. Substituting the values, will get NR square equals to 25 minus 16 equals to 9. Taking square root on both the side, NR equals to 3 centimeter. Now, SR equals to SM plus MN plus NR. 3 plus 7 plus 3 equals to 13 centimeter. So here you see what is calculated. This is 3, this is 7, and this is 3 calculated. So SR equals to 3 plus 7 plus 3 equals to 13 centimeter. Now area of trapezium equals to half into sum of lengths of parallel sides into height. So area of quadrilateral PQRS equals to half into PQ plus SR into PM. So half into 7 plus 13 into 4. 7 plus 13 equals to 20. Half into 4. 2 1s are 2 10s are 10 4s are 40 square centimeter. The area of quadrilateral PQRS is 40 square centimeter. This much is sufficient for this exercise. In the next exercise, we are going to see more figures and problems based on it. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.